We'll extend the idea. How many ways 5 letters to be posted in 4-letter box of color red, green, blue and pink? Whatever will be order will be there. Any letter box, any number of letters can be dropped. That condition should be there. We are just discussing here condition. Any of the letter you can put any number of, any box you can put any number of letter. Means here like making the 3-digit number or making the 3-letter words, their condition will be there. At one position only one letter, only one alphabet or only one number will be there. Like just we have seen previous. In one box only one number we can take. But here condition is any of the box you can put any number of letters. Okay. Now here just suppose letter L1 you have taken. Then this letter L1, how many places it can go? It can go here, here, here and here. All 4 places can go. Just try to understand. Definitely this understanding will be little different than this selection. Here we are not doing the selection. Here just we are thinking because any of the box, any of the number of letter can go, means all 5 letter can go in one box, or one box can go 4 letter, another box can go 1 letter. All the possible distribution are there. Then any one letter L1 can go how many place? 4 place. L2 again can go how many place? 4 place. L2 again 4 place. L3 4 place, L4 4 place and L5 4 place, means 4 to the power, you can say it is 5. It will come 4 to the power 5. What is 4? Now just we'll try to same thing I have written. Similarly L1 is 4, L2 will be 4 to the power 5. This we can write. How many boxes are here? 4. How many balls are there? 5. Box to the power ball. If boxes are different, balls are different. Means box are distinct, ball are distinct. Due to here it is written here letter all 5 letters are different and 4 letter box also it is different color, means different. If it is not different, then solution will be different way we have to analyze. But if both are distinct, means letter are also distinct, letter cannot be same. If you are sending the letter, you are just trying to send for 4 different friend or 4 different city, then all letter will be different. All 5 letter are different. All 4 letter box also different because color already given. Because 4 letter box is given different color. Then we can write here, or we can generalize here letter box to the power letter, box to the power ball, or similarly finger to the power ring. How many ring? Like ring and finger problem. These are all common type of problem. And again I will explore little bit more under the distinct to distinct explanation, because 4 type of cases will be there: identical to identical, identical to distinct, distinct to distinct and distinct to identical. Then these 4 cases, this is one of the cases where I will just explore little bit more about this one, because this is the case of combination of distribution, selection and arrangement.